Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have a package here from Boxy Charm. This is a monthly subscription beauty box that has 5 full-sized different beauty products in it. And I never check to see what they are, but I've enjoyed it for quite a while, so I get some good stuff. It says Boxy Charm All Access, and then it tells me everything that's in it, but I don't read it until I pull out the product. So let's see, this one is a Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. So let's see. It says a hydrating recovery sleeping mask that balances skin's natural occurring flora and locks in moisture overnight to reduce redness and soothe the signs of irritation. And this retails for $52. And this whole box, I believe, is, well, oh, this one says upgrade to another box for $50. I think this one is $20. This is what it looks like. I'm sure it's closed. So I won't open it, but yeah, that's worth trying. I don't really have like red skin or anything like that, but it might be nice, especially it says soothes signs of irritation. Maybe I should give this to like my daughter if she has acne or something. She doesn't really have it badly, but you know, she's still young, so she gets it more than I do anyway. Sometimes I still get it. It doesn't ever seem to go away. This one is Essentials Pro Series Eyeshadow Palette by Violet Voss. Oh, and this is some crazy colors that I would not wear. This says provides revamped essential shades. Essential shades. I don't think there's one of those that no, that's not true. And an equal number of breathtaking mattes and metallics so you can create the most fashion-forward neutral looks. Neutral, really. The Essentials palette was designed for everyday use in a stunning mix of warm and cool tone shades for countless color combinations. Rethink Essentials and effortlessly take your look from day to night. Achieve a soft glam or go bold with a pop of color. The choice is yours. And this retails for $29. And there is no way in the world I would wear most of those colors. I would wear this cream color, and I would wear this black color, and I would maybe wear some of these, but it would be like very, very light, and I would probably use this one as a blush. Maybe that one too. I don't see myself wearing any of these. And that black is awfully black. So this will definitely be something that I give to my daughter. Faux show. And then here is a pack of brushes, and it says 5-piece deluxe eye kit. So I will just gift that to her too. But let me tell you what it says. It says Moda Pro takes Moda to the next level. This line features superior quality filaments and modern professional shapes. Use this kit to create endless on-trend eye looks. So looks like there's a shade, a crease, a detail, a smudge, and a line brush. I will let her experiment with those. And then here is a Stick With It Blickety Black Long Wear Liquid Eyeliner. I actually need a new liquid eyeliner. Oh, I didn't say how much these were. These retail for $27.95. Introducing our latest addition to the Slick With It line of eye products. Our eyeliner is vegan liquid formula that dries down to a satin matte finish. This formula is extremely long wearing and transfer resistant, which is perfect for those with hooded eyelids. Why am I hearing so much about hooded eyelids lately? I really don't know. That is interesting. I don't even know if I really know what a hooded eyelid is. And I didn't know that that was a problem. I don't know if I have them. And I don't know that I would do anything about it if I did, because I don't necessarily see a problem. But my daughter is young and she really enjoys makeup and experimenting with it, and she has some crazy colors, but she can do some amazing looking things with it. See, this looks black. Why is it called Blickety Black? Or this looks brown. Oh, but it's black. good. It's very soft and it can give you a pretty fine line. And then you can also, of course, you can make it as thick as you want. But yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay, I am keeping this one, and this retails for 20 bucks. And it's Hank and Henry. I don't think I said that. And is this another eyeliner? Oh no, this is the the Microblade Effect Brow Pen. This is the $1 Billion Brow, the Microblade Effect Brow Pen. This brow pen mimics the natural look of actual brow hairs to get a microbraid effect without the blade. It can be used to define a very bold brow or create natural looking brow hairs for a more subtle look. This long-lasting formula will last for an all-day look. All right, let's see. I have heard about microblading too, but that's not anything that I have ever looked into or thought about doing. And I don't even really know what it is, except for I think that it like defines your brows maybe. I don't know why it's called microblading. And I heard someone say that she only has it done once a year, but it's like $500 or something crazy. Oh, weird. Look at that. Oh, wow. That is interesting. And I guess it could look like an eyebrow. Huh, how about that? And this is in the color dark. And this retails for $18. So that is everything I got in my BoxyCharm this month. I think I'm going to keep these 2 things and I'll give those 3 things to my daughter. Probably put them in her stocking. These boxes have been fabulous for stocking stuffers and such, because there's no way in the world I would ever wear these colors. And even if I did, I wouldn't have anywhere to wear them. Even if I like played with it to try something, I would have no idea what I was doing. And I may as well give her the brushes. I don't need them, and you know, it kind of matches the set, so that'll be fun. And then I think that she might be able to use this. Hope she doesn't take it as an insult, because that's not how it's meant, but kind of cute. I don't think she will. She's a good girl. Not that, whatever, you know what I'm saying. So thanks for watching, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. And check out BoxyCharm for yourself if you're interested. Bye-bye.